Let me see.
Oculus capture.
So right now, chat, are we live? Or chat, we're creative directing the stream right now. We're trying to get all the vibes right first. Oh yeah, see I got mic'd up. Okay, so it's a little bit delayed.
Yeah.
Fire.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now, chat. How can we see chat?
Chat. So most of the chat, most of my audience is on Twitter. So I'm gonna start broadcasting on Twitter now.
And then is there a Twitter
And
chat?
I'm gonna put
How does Twitter live work?
Yeah.
And then I'll text out that link.
What do you want the name of the stream to be?
Oh shit, creative direction in quotes. Creative directing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me.
All right, we're gonna go live on Twitter too, y'all. So like, we might have to tap in over there for the. Might have to tap in on Twitter for the chat. So Twitter has a chat feature.
Twitter has a chat feature. Yeah.
Yeah, you might have to tap in on Twitter for the chat, y'all. 1 sec. Cause we can't see chat. I want to be able to see chat while we're doing this.
100%.
Yeah.
Same.
Nice. So we're just right now what we're doing is creative directing the stream right now, guys.
Alright, so I'm texting you the Twitter link right now. I think that's your other app is coming up right now.
Okay. And can y'all hear the music? Let me text the
Yeah,
thing.
let's fix the music right now too.
Can y'all hear?
Repeat 1 second.
Yeah, I'm gonna just switch the song up, chat. It's early vibes, chat. I don't got no headphones. Let me see.
Alright, so this thing is plugged in here.
Yeah.
They said if I add it as an audio, that should be good.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try that right now.
All right, I'm gonna just switch the song.
I'm gonna add source. Media. No, that's not it.
All right.
Okay, so I do have this set up.
Yeah.
I don't think I'm receiving anything from this right now.
From that. So he said to turn the. He said turn this up. So we're trying to get the music right, chat. Give us 1 second. So where would you see it?
Right here.
So then he said, so there we go.
You want to write something here?
Okay, so I think, so how does this usually plug into this? It's already plugged into this?
So right now, honestly, it's my first time using it. But it's this wire is plugged into this adapter. It's coming into here.
It's coming from data? That's a data thing though.
Yeah. We can also FaceTime.
Let's do that.
Yeah, real quick. And see how
I
we
think
can
it's
get it work.
USB. All right, yeah, let's do that. I think that's a USB connect.
I think it is the right. It's the right audio.
Yo, Sule.
Yo, what's up?
How you doing, man?
Hey, Los.
Sule, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Sule, y'all met? That's my lady Jita. Sule. In Miami. Yo, come here real quick, Sule. We're trying to get this audio to play from this to this. Currently, it's like plugged in from here to this to that. Should that even work? Or should it just be like aux type thing? Or like a,
Just not playing on this?
not currently, no, it's supposed to be registering right here. If it was playing on, if it was getting it. So while Sule tries to figure that out, we could just be on stream.
Okay, cool. I'm also calling Alon real quick just to see if he does pick up.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
How do you get the mic?
So pretty much this. Oh, yo. Wait, we're wondering. So we have this plugged in, but we and the music is coming out of like the speaker, but we don't have any feedback in OBS right here.
From Zoom LA.
It's Zoom audio device. Is that the right one?
It should be. If you unplug it.
chat, 1 second, chat. We're just doing some
click
test,
it.
some technical
Is it
difficulties.
muted?
It's not muted. Is this set up correctly for it to be coming to my laptop?
Should be. It should be. Let me see. It should just read as an interface. Go into settings. I would say my best advice to you right now that will be better than me helping you right now
Yeah.
is to look up on like YouTube or on chat. Be like, yo, I have a Zoom L8. I have it plugged into my computer via USB. Settings do I have to change? Because it's like I can't really see very well and I'm not there with
So I would just say undo that because they can hear it from the speaker just on stream
Okay.
from our mics. So just undo what you just did and let it play from the speaker.
Okay. Cool. All right.
you just did, Sule?
Thank you, Alon.
Do a
check this
quick
out here.
check, and then because I think it's probably one setting or something, and it's just like for me
What'd you
to
just
try
say?
to figure it out from here with you is gonna be slow.
I think you just have to play on the CDJ again potentially.
Oh, the song's over.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Okay. All right. Cool. Thank you.
Saying that?
It's not
All right,
over.
cool.
What
I
just changed
just unconnected the USB.
from this?
Yeah, from the metal thing.
But that shouldn't do anything
Still playing.
because this is going straight to the speaker. That shouldn't really do anything.
Yeah. I think.
We didn't even tweet the link out yet, so it's good.
I think that this was just charging this. So when it unplugged, I think it stopped
Oh, this
playing.
is powering this.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, where's the power source? Where's another one?
It seemed like it turned back on because it's this. This is the power.
Oh, this takes battery. Oh, because that's just a power source right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so it just has to like,
Does this look as like the same setup as before?
yeah, just have to reset it probably.
Okay. Now what we can do is we could just take an extra mic and put it next to the speaker, and we can just noise cancel both of our mics, and then we'll have, yeah,
Okay.
and we can listen just for this one.
I think this is good. Is it playing now?
Notice how do you what do you want to see on Telegram? Yeah, Telegram's perfect. Thank you. All right, let me link this mic real quick.
Okay. Yeah, so this powering that, so.
Also, I heard, Tony, do you know where that sheet is, the covering sheet for the speaker?
Yes.
Because I heard that this speaker, there's like a telephone tower on the top of this building. Let me put this on top just in case it,
So no static noise.
yeah, there's no, doesn't mess with anything. Sorry.
So then, this is still where it's supposed to be. Yeah. I guess it may need a second to load. To like reload that, because it kind of got unplugged. So I'm just guessing, because it's all
Maybe.
the same. Because none of those settings got changed.
Yeah, everything is the same. Let me see.
Yeah, this is all the same. The only thing that would have changed is just that being unplugged. But it's back plugged in now.
Okay, yeah, both of these are playing.
Do you have to press play or anything on this?
Either down here.
Well, let me try to.
I mean, I
Just had to reset it. Just had to reset it.
Reset? Oh,
Had
okay.
to reset it.
Okay, cool.
How do we see the Twitter on the screen?
Let me put the Twitter on right now. So I'm
So you
thinking,
turn down a little bit. All right, chat. We got the music right. Can y'all hear it?
all right, let's see. Yo, can someone producer man real quick to see if the audio's coming out fucked up or if it's good?
See if you can hear the music. Put some headphones on. See if you can hear the music.
If you can hear the music and still hear us, it's good? Okay, great. So I shouldn't change any settings? Talking, testing.
Yo.
Drowned out? Okay, wait, don't change anything. I think we can fix that though. Hold up.
So I'm gonna put this on my story.
Okay, fire.
The Twitter link.
Are you sure?
Yes. I mean, if we're just like music and talking heads at the same time, it doesn't sound like music and talking heads.
Okay.
And we just asked him to turn it down, like, you know, whenever we have something important to say.
Yeah. Was good chat? Was good chat? Stream is starting soon. I'm getting the chat on the screen right now.
Yeah, we're creative directing stream right now, chat.
Yeah, maybe we should change this text to say creative directing stream.
Yeah, in quotes.
Yeah.
Let's do that. I'm literally I gotta send some reference to a client right now, so I'm just
Okay,
finish that
cool.
up real quick. But we're vibing, you know. This is kind of this is behind the scenes of the process. It's like a little messy sometimes, right?
Yeah. It's honest.
Yeah. We got one half of Fever Dream in the back, Sule.
Someone said, I didn't know Twitter streaming had motion like this.
Oh yeah, no, we're going crazy on Twitter. Let me actually tweet this. How do I tweet? Or did you tweet it?
So honestly, what I've learned with Twitter is when you tweet the link, I feel like it shadows the tweet for some reason. So maybe you could just tweet like a photo, be like, or you could even take a photo and be like, I'm on stream right now. If you reply to it with the link, it might be better. We're still trying to figure it out though.
Got it.
Notes, you should also tweet the stream.
Tweet, okay, so I'll tweet too.
A picture. You're gonna tweet like a picture of it?
Yeah, I would just do like usually what I do, I'll do like, literally like a photo of this right here and I'll be like live.
Like this.
Yes, exactly.
So right now, Los is creative directing my Twitter post. And so this is all right, bet. So right now I'm gonna post this on Twitter
Okay,
to promote the stream. And it's that link you sent.
yeah.
right.
Now let me add the chat on the screen. Window capture. One moment.
But you said the link doesn't. So wait, the link doesn't do well when you do the link?
Yeah, but if I were to just post the link as like the original tweet, it sort of dies. But if I do a photo of like, yo, I'm streaming right now and I reply to it, I think there's a better chance. That's probably what I'm gonna try to do, honestly. Okay, Yatu's in here. Yatu says we gotta get Gallardo a new USB club USB.
Yes, we do. Actually, I need one with more storage. And I would love to talk more about USB club, like kind of where it's at these days, you know?
Let's go.
Yeah, I want to see. So let me retweet this link.
Okay, fire. Oh, that's perfect.
Right? You see the vibe, right? Yeah.
Honestly, yeah, let's give it a shot. It's weird. Twitter's so weird to me, but I think that will work.
All right, chat. We got the links out. Now we're like officially streaming out. That was pre-stream. We had to create direct stream.
All right, now we're getting chat up real quick.
Yeah, let's get chat up.
UV Kush, welcome to the chat. Chaz, welcome to the chat. Shirket. We got a goat here, man, but we gotta get we have all the motion. Now we're just getting the foundation for the motion set up.
We're troubleshooting, danger testing.
I sent you the scene on text.
You sent me the scene? Okay, got you.
Yeah, I'm just finishing up some client work, guys, as well.
Fire.
Because you gotta be efficient with your time. And I wasn't before this, so like, you know.
Yo, that's life.
You know? But sending some stuff. What's this song called? Song of the Sex Monk? Nice. Chat, clip that. Yo, chat, clip that.
Clip that. Shirket said, I've never seen Lo so locked in.
Yeah, no, we're working hard over here.
Chat, how's the audio? Drop a 1 if the audio is good, 2 if we need to change something.
Yes.
Yo, we're in the Telegram. Oh, you just. Oh. Okay, got you. We're gonna put this on the screen. Is that the highest quality? It's like a little pixelated.
Oh, I didn't send it to you. I sent it to you. By the way, that's an app to send it.
I have no idea.
Like, do you want it as like in a frame or is that but I can also send it out next one.
Whatever's fine, honestly. Shirket said, Los is not smiling at all. Rent is due. Rent is absolutely due.
All right, guys. So we're back. I think we got the chat up. We're locked in. It's Crave directly. We got the vibes right. Music going. I just sent over some creative to a client late last minute.
Okay, word.
And because what time is it now? Oh, they got an hour. All right, so we're good actually. So now what I want to do is
I'm gonna take a photo of this real quick.
Yeah, and are we able to like maybe have a screen of yours?
On the green screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try it right now.
Yeah.
That's definitely the
But,
goal.
like maybe like put it in Chrome so it's always safe.
What do you say?
Whatever the information on the screen is, like password safe or whatever. like,
Okay.
whatever we're showing is.
I can lock it to just one window, so it doesn't, nothing else pulls up.
Copy. We got the better half of Fever Dream DJing right now.
Let's go.
Better half DJing. I'm gonna play a couple songs in a second. We're gonna make an app live. We're gonna talk about the concept of streetwear, spelled W-A-R-E. We're gonna talk about virality a little bit on this stream. So just stay locked in with us. We'll get everything right. It'll be a nice little stream.
Let's go.
It won't take too much of y'all time. Shaq, clip that.
Clip that. The whole stream is locked.
All right, so we're good now?
Almost. Chaz, what are you on today, bro? Did you watch the game yesterday?
Are you able to change the color of the font of what they're saying?
That one, unfortunately, not.
Can put like some kind of background behind the chat so we can read it better?
Absolutely, yeah.
We're just vibing right now, y'all. We'll get everything together. Vibe, we'll listen to the music. Danger testing radio.
Danger testing.
Danger testing radio. Recording live from Canal Street.
Okay, damn, this is low-key a vibe.
Yeah. Oh, we're going crazy. We got Google in the back. We're going so crazy.
You want me to extend this, or you want me to keep it as like a window?
As a window would be dope. Well, only if you could put other windows, if not.
Yeah, we could experiment with that too. Now for this chat, do you mind if it's a white background?
Let's put internet blue.
No,
Yo,
you still haven't tweeted live stream.
I thought I.
The podcast?
Oh, the link.
Yes.
Should I respond to my latest tweet with that, or make a brand new tweet?
Maybe, but I would also make a new screenshot. Like that screenshot is a bit warm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Let's,
All right.
Yeah. So, all right, chat. We gotta get a new link up. So just click on the new link.
So delete this tweet.
I think so, right?
All right. What do you think I should tweet? Just the link?
No, just make a better screenshot of like, not the weird, like, not the weird borders outside and make it better. Just like one clean screenshot and then with the broadcast.
Okay.
You wanna change it by the green or? Here's go to YouTube on the other screen.
Or can you just tweet the broadcast? Because then I'm also,
I can.
And go to
I think I just
Windows.
read it, right?
Oh, okay.
Clear channel. Type in those from DMV.
Oh, DMD. Okay, cool.
Put that up with no sound.
Okay.
Visuals on full screen. Chat, we just want to get some visuals up while we're still facing some things. Just listen to the music. Are y'all fucking with the music, y'all? Guys,
like this vibe?
Tell us you're fucking with the music and make Soleil smile like that again.
Yo, Mark, can you tell me what type of screen? Can you come over and show me what you want me to do?
Oh, I just found the best reference.
This is fun.
Okay, I just found the reference chat.
Okay, damn, this is sort of fire.
Yeah, I think we're going crazy now. I think we're doing something. We might be doing something. So, chat, what you guys just saw was like kind of like creative directing. Creative directing is vague on purpose, you know? I think it's vague on purpose. But part of it is like either getting out of the way or getting in the way, right? So like, you know, sometimes you have to just take a beat, slow down, even if you're feeling panicked. We were supposed to start 10 minutes ago and just like get the vibes right, you know? Yeah. Now they're right. We can go for like, even if we go shorter than we're supposed to, it's like good from now on, you know?
Yeah.
But I think like it's important to there's just like Japanese thing I just learned of, like, and it kind of goes with like wabi sabi and all those other things, kintsugi and wabi sabi and all that. But sort and set is what they call it in Japanese. Theory and seitan. It's almost like a wabi sabi type of principle, but it's basically setting your workspace before you even get started, you know? So it's like, even if it takes a little minute, like, declutter, get the shit right, and then yeah, we can get started. Even if they're watching, you know, while we're doing it.
Yeah. Look, slow chat says the vibes are right.
Okay, so the vibes are right now?
The background is tough. Do you know Najee?
Najee.
Najee. Oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
Najee.
sick. Yo, what's good, Najee?
Yeah. So we got, do we need some Frank Ocean vibes? So actually, speaking of that, we're gonna build an app today called No Requests. It's for DJs to be able to kind of like stand their ground and create their boundaries that are healthy when they're doing their job. So you know, hold that thought. We're gonna do that a little later. I don't know if we have like the schedule down, but like
Can you show it to me again?
yeah, it's not really a schedule, but this is the notes.
The breakdown. Yeah. Okay,
For
cool.
direct the stream, we did that.
We did that.
Talk about streetwear. Okay.
Yeah.
I can talk about that.
Yeah.
So maybe like on a separate tab on that YouTube, you can bring up Arena. And I can like, how do I text you a link?
Do you want this video to keep on playing and then we drop another window on top of it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do that. Let me set this up real quick. Yeah, text me a link.
So what I'll do is I'm gonna send him my link to my Arena. And just text it to you.
Yeah, text me.
And then I wanna build a mood board for what I consider to be streetwear, but live. Because most of my thesis about what streetwear is comes from a visual place. And so I think it would be good to kind of build it out loud, or build it live. We'll grab a water real quick.
Fire. Can I get one? Can you give me one too?
Yeah.
Appreciate you. Okay, on Telegram? Okay, cool. Thank you. Chad, does anybody use Arena?
Water?
Are y'all on Arena? Are y'all creative directed? Thank you, boss.
Oh, it's Modelo.
Yeah. And I think you should try to see it.
Try what?
The yellow vibe.
It's ready?
Oh yeah, it's on the Telegram.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll add it.
So if you refresh that and see if you see a streetwear. So boom, so it's live. Actually,
Yeah.
make it to where it's not public for everybody.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'm gonna hide that.
Collaborators. All right, cool. So we good. So all right, so now let's go back. Shit. Only I can add. So what I'll do is from my end, if they can't see, I'll just like go through and kind of start putting stuff in there. We kind of talk about what makes that, like what defines that as streetwear. You know, to me. You can scroll through my like other mood board. Like this is good. Okay, so if you refresh it now, we can start talking about those first couple ones.
Okay, fire. Now let me make my tweet. I forgot to tweet this.
All right, so tweet it first.
And then I'm gonna, we got a fire tweet.
We got a banger?
We have an absolute banger. Hold on, let me show you the photo. Chat, I appreciate y'all for staying here as we get sort and set.
Yeah, as we sort and set.
As we sort and set.
So the sort and set is a part of, I'm reading this from like Gemini AI right now. Sort and set is a part of the Japanese 5S methodology. The other S's are Seiso, which is clean, Seikutsu, which is standardized, and Shitsugi, which is sustain or discipline. So the first two are sort and set. Then the other ones are clean, standardized, and disciplined. So like, it's like the 5S methodology of Japan, but like sort and set is super important.
I see.
So if you want to refresh the streetwear mood board,
Yes, let me fix
after
this.
you tweet my bad.
Yes, so close, sorry. We're right there.
So part of me doing like public mood boards now is new. Like I've never like made a practice out of publicly mood boarding. So me kind of like doing Arena is interesting because I kind of like have a hard time knowing what to publicly put out as a part of what I see and what to keep as like my plan for what the project is going to be.
Sure.
So I kind of have a hard time with that. but I think I can put some of this stuff in and it feels good to kind of put out publicly, like what streetwear is. This is a good example, right?
Wow.
This is kind of an example, but more so visually. Not talk about them as you see them.
Okay, cool. I'm ready to refresh now.
Okay, let's refresh.
And this is how it looks, by the way. Do you want me to change anything about this window?
See, maybe if you go back to Arena and see if you can like make the tiles bigger or something.
Like zoom in.
Yeah. Click on that. Like the actual.
Oh,
You click into it. All right, so now we're in it. Yeah, so basically what you're seeing is like, if you scroll down over there, so you're seeing like Supreme Electronics. And to me, like Supreme, it's very obvious that like that's a good leap from actual streetwear to like this hardware kind of thing, because it's overly branded like a streetwear company would be. And I think if I can like distill the idea of what streetwear is down to like something as simple as like it just being branded, I would kind of just start there. Like the fact that it has like graphic design on it, like printed on it, like a t-shirt would or like a hoodie would, is like kind of one of the pillars of what I would consider streetwear, spelled streetwear, W-A-R-E, you know? So this kind of like Supreme, like every time Supreme is in electronics is an example of streetwear, because it's a streetwear company doing technology. This being around the neck is kind of what I mean by like streetwear, because it's designed in a way that's first a part of the outfit, you know? These are an example of something that's more utility based, and for that case less expensive than something like a Teenage Engineering, but still kind of design centric, or like as bold as a Supreme speaker, but it's technically a worksite speaker. So like that's streetwear to me, you know?
interesting.
And so like, let me add a couple more things, but I think, what are your thoughts on that so far? Like, how do you feel about any of that?
Well, it's so interesting. I've only viewed this DeWalt thing. I've never actually said it out loud. It's just sort of like become so, okay, like synonymous with what I expect from like, you know, okay, this is what I'll see on a construction site. But the fact that it actually does have very similar branding to
Well, construction sites are on the street a lot, you know? Like they're on the street, so it's like,
streetwear.
yeah, it's on the street. And so I think part of the streetwear ethos is that streetwear isn't as expensive as luxury clothing, you know? So part of the approach with some of these either apps or hardware is going to be that like it's not as expensive as some of the more premium kind of like hardware stuff that we've come to like kind of adore, like Teenage Engineering and stuff like that, or like even some of these highly coveted Supreme pieces. I think you can press refresh on there. Yeah, and so like as you can see, like my eye kind of goes towards things that are printed on, because it looks like it would be a t-shirt. And so like again, like the basis, the very like kind of elementary kind of understanding of what streetwear could be is like just simply printing on things that usually aren't printed on, you know? And it's funny because like, I wish you could see it, but like the person that kind of let us use this CDJ, they combined two XLRs together and they put 1 and 2 on it to label it, right? To make it easier for people to rent it, right? That's an example of like, you know, a print that can go on an item, and you can turn that item into kind of a t-shirt feeling thing, because now it turns it from an intimidating kind of over the top kind of like thing to understand to where you say, oh, this goes in 1, this goes in 2. So just printing on an item and giving it kind of like a personality almost. I think that's what turns an average electronic into like a streetwear thing. Just giving it the personality of a t-shirt, same personality of a hoodie is like part of it, you know? And then democratizing it too. Instead of it being a $600 thing, headphones, I mean, right now he's DJing with iPhone headphones. That's streetwear. You know, it's because it's like, it's not so technical and intimidating it's approachable. It's like a t-shirt, you know? And so anything that's like street level almost is like streetwear. So street level tech is like streetwear too, you know? And I think part of this is like, what I want to do with you guys is kind of keep developing this thesis. Because that's where I'm at with it right now.
Right. Wait, before we move on,
Yeah.
the chat, 2 people in the chat said, can I get an ID on the song, the last song that played actually before
What
this
song
one?
before this one?
The song before
You
this
remember
one.
that one?
It's called The Visit. She was here.
The Visit, She Was Here.
Circle with the Y.
Circle with the Y. Yeah, Sule only strictly has very niche, obscure songs, except for this. But like, you know, if you ask the song, it's gonna be spelled different than it's supposed to be. It's gonna be very hard to find and locate. So like, that's his bag.
That's fire.
Yeah.
That's what we need, chat. That's what we come to this stream for. We're not getting this anywhere else.
Facts. That's actually a fact. Even though right now we're low-key competing with Kai Cenat right now. I don't know if you guys are aware, but Kai Cenat is streaming right now. Oh, what's the song? Yeah, Kai Cenat's streaming right now, guys. So,
And Nasreen said, I like this dissection.
oh, dissection.
Dissection, yeah.
Alright, cool. Let me add a couple more photos to the arena, and then we can refresh.
Nasreen low-key, she's low-key a very, I don't know if I'd consider streetwear, but she does a lot of very cool like fashion tech stuff. She thinks
who's
a lot
that?
about that. One of my friends who's in
yeah.
the chat right now.
Let me see her. We can pull up her stuff and we can see if that, in my mind, which I'm not the arbiter of what it is to be or not, but we can see if that also fits it. And we can pull up a couple of things on the internet and see if that fits it as well, the streetwear.
Nasreen, send anything in the chat for us to look at that you're comfortable with. That would be fire.
That you think is streetwear, and then we can kind of see if it fits the category.
Now, Chaz says, okay, I wasn't ready for the vibe setting and the education.
Right. Well, you know, I think that's the thing about streaming is that like everybody can't be, you know, Kai Cenat or Speed. We're raging, we're, you know, dumping water on each other. Like, I'm 35 years old. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know how to do the every 3 seconds hold your attention kind of streams, but I have had, you know, meetings that last an hour. You know what I'm saying? So like, they just start slower and they go slower, and if, you know, if it's 4 or 15 people live, then that's fine. I think it's like a meeting. It's like a Zoom meeting, you know? So I think it's fine.
That's hard.
Well, I don't really know. I don't know how to stream, chat. Oh, so you refreshed it?
I got you.
So yeah, if you see what's on here now, this is a hidden, I think a wallet they did, but Hidden NY is like the mood board company. They do clothing, they do merch like that's elevated as a clothing line. Like their merch is elevated as a clothing line, but it's really a mood board page. But they dropped a hard wallet, but it looks like a hard drive. So I saved it in my streetwear folder because it's kind of like a streetwear company doing a hard drive. To me, that looks like streetwear to me. And what I mean by that, right? A Miu Miu speaker is kind of streetwear to me because it's hardware, which is music technology, and a clothing company. Anything with a bold brand or design. This is just simply a calculator, but it's bold and it's different. So I don't think hardware always has to like change the game or like reinvent the wheel or like have more computing than the last iteration of it. I think, you know, in streetwear, a t-shirt is the same t-shirt it's been since whenever they were created. And what makes a new t-shirt is the design that's on it. And so if I want to create a pair of DJ headphones that cost $50, but have a new design than my other pair of DJ headphones that go with my outfit better, then that's what needs to be created. And that's kind of what streetwear is to me, where it's like every piece of tech isn't as precious as the branding of everything kind of like will lead us to overpay on, you know? It's just like a thing, like I can't tell you how many pairs of headphones I bought in a new city just to DJ that city, you know?
Interesting.
And lost them because they're $20 at Target, $30 at Target. But what if the $30 headphones at Target actually look cool? Like that's streetwear, you know?
So when software can become as democratized as tech hardware has been,
Or no, what tech hardware can be is democratized as software. What do you mean by democratized?
well, in a sense, I was thinking it was like, okay, like the earphones or the headphones that you buy for $20, $30 is weirdly, maybe just for this example, it's weirdly more expensive than how to make an app or make a website, like at least for like the years before AI.
Yeah, but what I mean is, even if you stay in hardware to hardware comparison, right? Like, if you buy a $20 pair of headphones from Walmart, that's not streetwear. That's just a $20 pair of headphones. But if you change those headphones to red or green or some cool color,
Yeah.
And then you put on the side of it music in the Cardi font, but it's still $30 because all you did was put a vinyl print on it. That's streetwear. You see what I mean?
Yes.
It's just like putting a design and changing the color of a shirt, and now you have a different clothing line than somebody else. You have
Right.
different designs and different colors of stuff. So I don't want to reinvent hardware or technology or try to make it faster or add AI to it. I think there's a certain level of consumer that's ignored by the electronic industry, and I think I want to make tech for them. And I think brands like Teenage Engineering and Nothing speak to part of that ignored class, you know? Because that ignored class is people who don't want a monolithic device that everybody else has, but they also don't want like a weird looking Android. They want something cool. So Nothing and Teenage Engineering spoke to that cohort of people. I want to speak to the same cohort of people with the stuff I create, but bring the cost way down. Because I'm not trying to reinvent the way the motherboard is designed, so it's not going to cost more to create. It just looks cooler than a $30 pair of headphones that I got at Target. Because I'd rather rock those with the outfit, you know? That's streetwear.
Have you seen any artists try to do this? Or is it mostly just you and no one's really taken the attempt?
Well, if you see like even on the screen, like this came out around the time Cardi's album was a Pele Pele collab or something like that, I think, right? I've seen artists play around with speakers, and so I think there's a lot of people, even you guys, like I think App Stars is streetwear because of the branding and because of the way you guys treat apps. You don't treat them as precious as the 2-week, lead time just to get the approval on this next step. And it's like, you guys treat it the way a streetwear brand would treat a t-shirt. You know, you make it fast, you drop it fast. If it's a hit, it's a hit, you know? And so I think I'm only putting a name to a thing that already exists, is basically what I'm trying to say. Because I didn't create any of these images in the mood board. I'm only collecting them all into one place and noticing the pattern. If you notice, all of these has print. Pretty much everything has print on it. So that's a thing that this is really getting into the very on the nose mixing fashion with music or technology. Mm-hmm. But it's still like, this is the sake of a mood board to kind of envision the world if it's not fully built out, you know?
That's super fire. I love what you said too of like, okay, you're not trying to create, you're putting a name to something that's already, the pattern already exists. It's already happening.
Like y'all already doing it. A lot of people that I'm putting in the mood board are already doing this in their own way. I just think, it hasn't been spelled that way.
Yes.
And branded that way yet. And it was going to be by somebody.
Now, we got a ton of messages in the chat. We can speed run through.
Let's talk about the chat.
UV Kush says, by the way, Tony, can you see if we're lagging at all or if it's good on your side? It's good? Okay, fire, thank you. And your ears? Okay, thank you. Okay, we had to check with our producer men. Shout out to the producers.
Shout out to producers, because nothing would happen without that whole support desk.
Okay,
Crazy.
UV Kush says, I bought this to make a game for fighting game characters for Streamer University, like Street Fighter vibes. Good idea or bad idea? I'm gonna open up the link.
Okay, you just be clicking links like that?
I got faith, but
Alright.
okay, I'm gonna open it up, but it won't show yet.
Alright.
And if we think it's good, then we'll put it up on the actual thing. This is just what we're looking at. Okay, this is it.
All right, nice. So what is the question?
Pretty much. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the screen.
Game. So he made a. Yeah.
He said to make a game for fighting game characters for Streamer University. So I guess he's gonna take
Nice.
Kai Cenat,
Yeah.
Blackboy Max,
Yeah.
whoever else is in Streamer University, and have them be fighting with each other, almost like Street Fighter, but using these characters, these mechanisms.
Okay, I love it. So what's the next step on this? I mean, or like, how do we even comment on this other than I love it? I think it's an amazing idea.
Yeah. What's the next step?
Yeah,
What's the next step?
on that? Because I think that's dope. You need like 3D scans of them or something. You do need some help with the character models. Okay, cool. I would go and I would get a picture of them from the front, and I would take it to Gemini and say, make this T pose. Make Kai Cenat T pose. And I would also ask Gemini right after that, show me a 360 view of this person. Then I would bring all those to something like Meshy, and I would upload them, and I would just make the 3D model of them just from one picture, and then extending that to multiple pictures with sprites, and then taking it to Meshy, and then turning it into 3D characters.
All right, Appstar. No, yo, even though we post technical,
Appstar.
he's an Appstar. He's technical.
Not for real, yeah. It was workflow, you know, it's like, that's just a workflow thing. You know, because I kind of like became an AI first artist or creative for a little bit. So it's like, how would I do that with AI? Shout out to Mike Wing, Appstar.
Shout out to Mike Wing, Appstar Agenda. Do you know Jake the DJ?
Yep, so he's like an OG music person like me who came from like doing music videos in like 2013, 2014, And then he kind of like me kind of discovered tech Twitter, And so you can see his Abby is a fucking crypto punk, so that's the name DJen. You know, and so he's like pretty much like me came from hip hop and like is in tech now. You know what I mean? But he used to do music videos, all type of shit. Yeah, that's the broski.
That's hella fire.
Najee, that's the homie. So he's probably talking about Jake in the chat, the legends in the chat. You know, like he's probably speaking
I see. Damn, yo, the chat is on fire today. Oh, I did not think about Blender.
Stream Fighter.
Stream Fighter.
The name. So the homie. So Doobie says Stream Fighter should be the name for that game idea. By the way, guys. So we just our chat came up with the name for that. If it wasn't already that, it might already be that.
No, I think the chat just came up with that. That's sort of the collaboration of the chat. It's like we made
chat,
it together.
Clip that name.
Clip that.
The shit's going crazy in the back.
Oh.
This is so dope.
This is a crazy creative direction that you did. Okay, so Singer says, Gallardo's definition of streetwear reminds me of skins for CS2, some process thinking. Also reappropriation plus bricolage. I don't know what that is.
Just Google it.
Let's Google it.
Definition. Act of creating, constructing, or something by improvising. Yes. So I think that's also called assemblage as well. Yeah. So me and my partner discussed this a lot. Actually, like the act of assemblage. We use the word assemblage for the in place of the bricolage word, which sounds like it has the word collage in it as well. But yeah, I think, you know, hip hop, streetwear, like the original version, not WARE version, both come from a place of just using what you got, you know? And I think one of my like gripes with like tech in general is that every new phase of it and every new era of tech kind of leaves a certain percentage of people behind because it moves too fast for them, it moves beyond them. And so like, for example, before we got some solutions, some AI-based solutions, we got AI-based enterprise apps and stuff first, right? And so like, if we keep going in that direction and everybody thinks everything's already solved with AI, a certain cohort of people go unbuilt for it. Nobody built anything for them. And so the kind of person I am in tech is I always build for that group of people that kind of get left behind. So even if you stay one generation behind, like the leading tech, I think you can build a huge career off of it, you know?
Easy.
And so I'm kind of like basing my like trajectory off of like building for the, you know, the underbuilt for it. And so like third-party tech, just like taking something that like bricolage that already exists, like a pair of headphones, slapping a vinyl, you know, print on top of it, and now that's streetwear, and now it's a DJ headphone instead of a producer headphone. You know, that's you know, treating technology like a streetwear company. You know.
Yeah.
That's part of the thesis, and then there's just like other parts, but we can talk about it all day. And we would be talking about it all day if I went more into it. But let me check the agenda.
The agenda. So now I know you have an app idea.
Yeah.
That you want to cook on stream.
Yeah, I don't know how much time we got, but yeah, I think even so, like a streetwear type of app would have to kind of solve a street level problem, right? And so as a DJ or somebody who does it as a hobby, sometimes a street level problem is people either requesting music or me telling them that I'm not taking requests, right? And so one of the ideas I came up with is just to recreate an app that takes because right now that whole communication is done in Notes app. You type something real big on Notes and you put it up, and then DJ reads it, and they either go like this or they go, right? There's no like real app for that. So I want to just build the app that does that, and not in a way where like you can send your request to the app. You just type it out real big. Maybe it has a strobe and a color, and then you show that the same way. Nothing, and that's what I mean. Like I don't really want to reinvent or like try to make something that's non-technical technical just to make an app version of it. I mean, right now people currently communicate with DJs or across parties in their Notes app. I just want to make a new app to communicate across parties. Got strobe effects, colors, short kind of like things that you're already pre-written messages almost that you're already, stuff like that, called no requests. And so the DJ could use it to say no requests, or a person could use it to say, hey, play finito.
Yeah.
So I think if we can build that, I think that'd be dope.
I think we could do it right now. Honestly, I have a lot of faith. Wait, let me open up.
Big as hell.
Oh yeah.
Under the water.
Yeah, go ahead. Where's our chat? Where'd I have my chat? Here we have chat. Chat, who's in here? Who's still in here? Drop a 1 in the chat. What do you guys think of that app idea? We're going to cook right now. The app name is DJ No Requests.
No, it's just called No Requests.
It's not called DJ No Requests. It's called No Requests. And we're taking no edits to that name.
We're taking no requests to the name or any of the features or anything,
Yeah.
good or bad, for better or for worse.
Okay. Scott in the chat says that's a good idea. We got ones in the chat, man. People are in the chat. So we're gonna prompt this right now. What I'm thinking is, I'm going to pretty much, these are the things I need to do to make the app. I need to use Xcode just to get it up and rolling, and then after that, I just need the terminal. So visually, should I share my entire screen, or should I just start one by one, like share the Xcode?
One by one, because we can put the video back up and maybe restart it. A little video from Adult Swim.
Oh, yeah, wait, wow.
Yeah, restart it and then start to just build it up as we can.
Okay,
so
cool.
I would love to get it on a simulator.
On a simulator? Okay, cool. Yeah, I think that's super possible. I'm thinking we'll plug my phone in and we'll screen share from that and show how it works. I think it's honestly like a really good app idea because like people in that moment, like when you need to do it, it's not that often. Maybe it is if you're like a super big like party goer, you go out a lot. But if you're not trained, you don't know in that moment exactly how the Notes app works. The Notes app is always updating. It's always confusing. These PMs at Apple are, the end of society. And it's like, how the hell do I draw this out? Do I type it? How do I get the text font bigger? I like your idea of thinking through things where it's like truly like, it's like culture tool. It's just like, it's like a hammer almost. It's like, okay, open it up. This is its only purpose.
Right, so I was like, it's funny you say that because like earlier this year, maybe we were talking about it, I was calling a lot of my apps blunt objects, because they just do one thing. So it's funny you say that.
Blunt objects. Chat, is anybody else making an app or working on a website or working on art or working on anything right now, or they want to share to the chat for Robert or me to talk about as we're setting this up?
Yeah, and like a lot of the times while you guys send some stuff, I think every idea doesn't have to be a $1 billion, billion user app idea, and that's what I love about what you guys are building, is that it seems like a person, I've heard you guys say this, you can follow a person or a brand of apps rather than downloading one app and hoping a billion people download the one app, right? And so like, I think like, that's why I think the streetwear kind of ethos fits in with what you guys are already building, because this no request apps, while it may not be for everybody, it's very much so for probably 1,000 people on Earth.
Right. That's a lot of people.
It's very much so for maybe 10,000 actually. Actually, now that I'm talking about it, the Earth is pretty big. 10,000 people is very much for them. Would they pay $1 for it one time? Maybe. Would they pay $1 for it every month? Maybe. But I think clothing lines aren't for everybody. Streetwear companies aren't for everybody. They're for who they're for. And so when I emphasize being a streetwear company, it's to be who we're for and not let that trip us up to try to make every app for everybody.
Right. I like that. I think people are sort of fed up with like, okay, like everything has to be one size fit all. Especially we broke out of that for every other medium post-industrialization and really not for software. And we're so bad. Okay,
So everything they're seeing is okay for them to see?
everything they're seeing is okay for them to see. Yeah.
Okay.
Now this is
For the viewers, because I didn't even post. I posted it on my Twitter. Okay, some of my viewers aren't as technical as yours. What's going on at this point?
okay. So right now we opened up this app called Xcode, which is an app that Apple makes for developers to make iPhone apps, Mac apps, iPad apps. It's called native app development, just because it's made by Apple, and there's other ways to make apps for the iPhone. And basically, I'm just setting up the project, but that's the hardest part. Now what we're going to do is we're pretty much going to open up the Terminal app, and the Terminal app is just a way for us to communicate with something like Claude or ChatGPT and tell them to make the app for us. And we connect it to this project that we made, and it's going to write all the code, and we should be able to have like a first version of our app within 10 minutes.
Okay, dope. And then so we're gonna try to make it like iOS aspect ratio, like Apple or iPhone aspect ratio?
Yes, absolutely. Right now, the aspect ratio is a bit broken, but that should be no problem. I just want to make sure that we do have phone. Yeah, okay, yeah, we can run this on phones. Made sure I set it up correctly.
And how long have you been doing this? Like, how long have you been, before Vibe Coding came about, were you semi-technical? Or were you like me, I was not technical at all? Or I was like, I knew the language, like I could speak to developers, but I wasn't technical like pretty much at all before this, which I think is a great part about it.
Yeah, I like that. I mean, I'm into post-tech for sure.
Right.
Yeah, I used to code full-time. I mean, that was my job. I did CS in school. I was really like below average, maybe worse than below average. I failed classes multiple times, ended up passing them, but still did not even graduate with like a CS degree. But I still wanted to do tech so bad. Like the ideas that I had, I wanted to exist more than like my natural abilities led me to. I like brute forced learning programming. I brute forced all of that. Just because I mean, do I like technology? I really do. But I care more about like these really, really fun ideas and how they can make my friends laugh or create really cool situations that I think of in my head.
Right.
You know, it's sort of like if I was trying to do this as a TV show and I sucked, like I really sucked at camera work, but I was like, fuck it, I will become great at this even though it takes me another year longer than someone who's naturally good at it.
Right.
Because it does lead me to something I am naturally good at. I am naturally good at making people laugh. So it's like,
So this is one of your mediums of just pulling that off.
yeah, exactly. Okay, so now, hey, do you see the no request?
So you're doing that with Claude.
Yeah, we're gonna use Claude today. Claude, which is not sponsored, you know,
Maybe it should be though.
should be. We're open to talk. Get on the phone, Anthropic and Dario. We're open. And also, you know, we're inviting competitors as well. So maybe we're speaking with someone of the name of Sam. Who knows? It could be,
Look,
know-
I think we're like more like Switzerland in the situation. You know,
Yes.
neutral.
super
Right.
neutral.
Yeah, I think that's what's going on here. So they're saying who uses voice at the club. Did somebody say that something about voice?
Voice to text. So is it,
Oh no, not voice to text. No. So basically, more like, have you ever seen like the big apps? Did you know you could do this to your phone? Make it like kind of accessible and make the app super big and kind of almost break your phone. Oh, wow.
I'm thinking we could actually use voice to text for you to explain the app to Claude.
Oh, that's what they were saying. Use voice to text.
I don't know. I think they were saying what you thought they were saying, but so maybe we could just tell it. You could just speak about the app the way that you did to stream.
Yeah. Should we turn the music down, or is it pretty good at separating?
I think it's really good at it. We should. I don't think we'll need to turn the music down.
You know you can do this?
Oh yeah, grandma mode. I never got to use this.
Yeah. So to answer their question, this is more so how the app will be built. Instead of it being like, you have to super like text stuff out in the club, it'll be more like big options for you to choose what they should do. What song? Like it's more like this is like a design reference for like how I want to build this app.
So what do you want one of the buttons to be?
Like for if it's a DJ side of it, like it'll say no requests, or it'll say tips for requests, or it'll say something good that it would be a good like fast response if somebody's like trying to get your attention. You just press it on your phone, like no requests, or like tips only, or like some shit like that, like, you know what I mean? Or even like if you're kind of talking about, oh, this is the early vibe section of the night, you can like put your phone over some shit like that. But I think it's just for messaging. So like the other side of it would be like almost a blank for which song you want to type in. So can you play this, or like, you know, I don't really know what it would be like for the viewer yet.
Okay, cool.
But for the DJ, it would be like quick buttons. You could just be like, no, I don't want to play that. Just press.
Gotcha.
It and do that, you know.
Top 100 type of thing.
Wait, look.
Oh, like for the song list. So for them to be able to quickly, yo, mic up.
What do I do with this? I'm just hold it like this.
Yeah, yeah.
So I feel like a top 100 or like top 50, because I feel like a lot of times when people come to request songs, it's usually something that like you hear on the radio, or like something that like
more so current
knows.
songs. So like, so the quick kind of songs they can request are like trending songs.
Yeah,
right?
Exactly.
The quick songs they can request are like trending songs that they might want to request, or trending artists like Charlie XCX during the Brat era, like
Gotcha.
Sabrina Carpenter during whatever, right? Like maybe like whatever's trending at the time is like they're quick, and if not, they can just have a little type button and type in the artist they want to.
It's like a button that says like, hey, you're doing great. Like,
Yeah, you're killing, because they do like to say that.
Yeah, like
Wait, this is far. All right.
you enjoy what you're playing.
Yeah. So like so some of the quick responses can be like thumbs up, or like you're killing it. And I think what this is highlighting to me is that maybe you can load up your quick responses. You can customize your quick responses. So like at first it comes with like the slots for quick responses, but then like if you're a DJ, you can load up your quick responses. If you're a fan who's going to a certain festival or a certain DJ's thing, you can load up what you're gonna want to say to them later on, and then be able to access it fast. You know?
Okay. So I'm gonna pitch you my idea on how I think this could work, what the UI of this can look like.
Okay.
I'm thinking.
Are you DJing that thing at 5? Which one? The AUG X6? It starts at 5. So Sulei's DJing at Essex, the clothing store down the street, for the AUG Essex event, to release, I think, Rocky's Puma suedes.
No, this is for the AUG collection merch.
Okay, so this is for the AUG collection merch. So it's to be able to, I think, can people buy it?
Yeah.
People could buy it at the AUG, at the Essex thing down the street, starting at 6 p.m. EST, and Souley will be there DJing, playing more upbeat party shit.
Where can I find that?
Essex, ESXX. Take away the E, the second E. Take away the second E. Yeah. That's the store. And then if you go to like, I guess the organization Instagram, like Instagram, yeah, whatever. Yeah. Should be on the story or
Oh, fire.
So this is, and Souley's a special guest actually. That's the actual special guest. So
We got the special guest on stream right now.
we just spoiled-
Chat, oh my
I
God.
just spoiled it, sorry. No, but there'd be more special guests on top of, in addition to Souley, even though he's super special. There'd be some more too. So that's what's happening after this. Let's get to
Chat,
that.
drop some W's for the special guest is here early. Y'all got him before the rest of the crowd did, man. UV says, bro, get on Flutter, write code once for Android, iOS, and web. Could do that. You know what? I never did that in my career. Honestly, Flutter is like a language that you can use, and it writes to web, iPhone, and Android at the same time.
Yeah.
But I was such an Apple guy growing up that I never really got into it. But it's pretty good.
No, I code for iOS for mostly. No.
Your iOS mostly?
Yeah.
So pretty much my idea is let's start with like the most simple thing, which is you need a text input, and then, I mean, you made a ton of apps, but I'm just sharing my idea.
Yeah. I mean, also it's gonna be clipped too. So let's say how you would approach this.
Okay.
Like starting, how would you approach it?
Damn, and then low-key, I haven't made an app in a minute, but I think it ends at the final thing is you rotating your phone and showing it to the person. And I think it's not that natural of an interaction if it's something that's similar to the Notes app where you open it up, you go landscape, you type it, and then you try to get it larger. I think typing on landscape is a little weird. I think it would be ideal if someone could type it like this and then click save, and then whenever they click the button, then it just automatically fits to screen.
Got it. I like that a lot.
Like that? Okay.
Yeah. So I think I guess like the big thing would be what do you want to say, and then it'll just be like the keyboard at the bottom.
Yeah. Yes. I'm thinking. I don't know exactly what to call the cubes right now, but like it would start with like what do you want to say?
The cells.
Oh yeah, the cells.
Yeah.
But I don't. What would you call it to the user?
What would I call what?
The cells. Like, would you say, okay, these are your requests or whatever?
I would start off maybe with like probably it would just open up with the keyboard, and it will have how like on Twitter it says what's on your mind. It would say what do you want to say in the big bubble above the keyboard. And then when you send the first one, then you can see there's other bubbles for you to fill in later if you want to fill it in later. You know?
Perfect.
So after you send the first one, it kind of shows that later, like, you know.
Okay, so this is what I'm thinking. Claude Code bold. Producer, man, always got something to say, man. All right. I think we'll do. Oh shoot, hold up. I started typing too quick. Let's start with one simple UI view with text at the top that says, what do you want to say? Then at the bottom, let's have like a sort of like a sticky button. We'll design it later. That just says add new. And then when you click it, let's just do whatever boring native iOS input pop-up flow for you to enter the text that you want to enter. And then that now appears as a button on the screen. I think we'll design it better after.
Yeah.
Let's just start with something like super boring, almost like just like to-do list app sort of.
Yeah.
And then after this, I'm thinking we'll do the functionality when you click it, that it opens up landscape with the text.
Okay. Sounds good. So yeah, I kind of talk in more plain English when I'm vibe coding.
Oh, okay, word.
I talk in really plain English compared to that. So I think I would start off by saying something like, I would think about it for a while first, so I could just say it kind of like almost not one-shotty, but one-shot direction. So like I would kind of say something like, I want to create a notes app that allows you people to communicate across a noisy room. I would just start off saying that, right? And then I would have said something like, I want them to be able to quickly type in messages and display them to each other across a noisy room. So I would emphasize the noisy room thing again. And then I would say something like, and the user would be able to change the color and change the strobe from static to strobe. And that'd be the third thing, and I'd send it all in one thing and just see what happens.
I see.
That's how I would have did that. So to see that so that's why I asked you how long you've been doing it, because you clearly have some kind of understanding of it, the background of it, because of the way you're approaching it, you know? Because I wouldn't. I would just be like, I want this. That's
Yeah.
what I'm trying to do.
But
I
you're
want to be able to communicate across a room. So like, I'm knowing that it will know that this app is not a image app. It's just a text. It's just a text space. It just shows text. You know.
Yo, the chat is roasting me. I think you could have started. I think you could have started with more context. Yes. Then someone said you could one-shot this with the first. You could one-shot this, as similar as you were saying. Write the best prompt with ChatGPT, then give it to Cloud Code.
Yeah.
Explain to ChatGPT your idea, and let it write you the best prompt. And then someone said Los has the language. Both are valid. So,
Yeah.
What?
So you guys are all over because you guys aren't agreeing, but I think everybody's kind of saying they're kind of frying the approach. But this is good because this is why we're doing this live, right? But I think we're both saying the same thing, and we would have different ways of approaching it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see. Can I? Oh, okay. Wait. This is fucked.
That's what they gave us?
Hold up. Chat. Yo,
Club Soule holding it down.
Club Soule, hold it down. Let me try and share my
yeah,
screen. Let me actually share my Xcode. Application capture, Retina display, Xcode. There we go.
What song is this?
This song is fire.
Bro, why can't it just be a regular name, bro? Jesus Christ. What's the name of it?
The Soule songs have minimum 8 words, bro.
Jesus.
All the things you could be now if I was your brother. So Dean Blunt had dropped.
Oh, it's by Dean Blunt.
Oh, Dean Blunt.
all right.
This like random tape. It was like 60 songs.
Yeah, and that's one of the songs. All right. Very niche. If you think you're more niche than my bro here, you're not.
Sorloth is coming. There's a super Wispa with an A at the end. That sounds crazy work. Shout out to Brendan, man. Okay, I need to install one of these simulators. I think I deleted it a long time ago because right now it's doing strict Mac stuff. Do you have any iOS guys in here that remember how this works?
Soule's USB mugging me right now. Let me get my shit going. What are you asking in the chat?
Okay, get pinged when the agent is done in its own window. Okay, Super Whisper. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Manage run destination. I think I just need it. What type of iPhone do I have? Let me check.
We would dream.
I have. What iPhone is this? Let me plug my phone in. I think that'll help us out. Bye, Brendan. What happened? You got iOS simulator working. I deleted the iOS simulator a while ago. So right now I'm plugging in my phone to see if this is going to work. Shout out to Miguel, the App Star, bro. I fuck with your work, bro. What do you want today? Aw. Okay, guys. My phone is plugged in. This is an iOS app, no? Did I create this incorrectly from the start? Let's go to project and see. Did I make a Mac? Oh my God, chat, I made a Mac app. That's the issue.
That's crazy. I can't. All right, man.
Yo, man, let's get some support in the chat for your veteran. You're a veteran engineer, man. It used to be me. I used to be making the apps on your phone, dog. Before chat and before everything. We made a macOS app. That was a big mistake. I'm just gonna create iOS app now. No request app iOS. There we go.
All right, I'm gonna put a song up next.
Okay,
Yes.
cook.
Sule's doing a bathroom break.
Bathroom break,
I
fire.
got like 10 more minutes in the chat or in the stream.
In the stream, we got 10 more minutes, guys. We gotta speed run this. We have to speed run this. Los is, okay, the chat is saying Los is washed. Very, whatever, man. Say whatever y'all want.
Yeah, Los is not
I'm a
washed,
vet. You gotta respect your vet. And I'm actually like messy because I perform when the time starts to crunch, so.
Yeah, actually, so we have, that was actually, it's actually we're good. This is actually, we're making perfect time.
We're perfect timing. Okay, so I'm just gonna tell. Hey, I accidentally created. I mean, so I accidentally had you do this in an Xcode project that was just a Mac app. I created a new one that's for iOS. If you could take the same code that you wrote and put it in there, that would be perfect. Thank you. And what's the name of it? Chat, thank you guys for staying in here, man. It's working, man. What is that sound in the back? That sounds like Wars. Oh, that's the song. Yo. Yeah, Chaz, there's an iOS simulator issue, but we are so back right now, and Claude is on it. And we got the prompt legend, who's also the DJ legend, is spinning now in the background. We got Sorloth in the chat. Shout out to Sorloth. Izu, what's good? It will ask you when you plug. What are you talking about? Have Claude switch it. I did it manually. Oops, I moved the camera, I think. Shout out, amazing stream so far. Okay.
So now his reservations.
UV Kush says, watching this makes me realize marketing matters more than product and skill. I don't know what to make of this message.
I think that's support.
I'm gonna take that as support. Listen, I used to be in this. I used to write code acoustically, is what they called it. Yo, don't disrespect your elders, man. Are you guys sure? Is this not lagging for real?
Yeah.
Okay, wow. My laptop is looking like molasses, true molasses.
Delayed, but it's not actually.
It's delayed. Oh, okay, delay is fine. Okay. All right, can you send me a screenshot of what the dumb phone looks like? I'm just gonna throw it in here real quick.
Okay, let me see.
Y'all saying I don't got skill? Watch me drop an app. They said I'm marketing man, not code man. I made a living from being a below average engineer, actually. So let's see. We're gonna take the assistive setting phone and have that be the UI. Do you guys okay? No, for real though, learned a lot just listening to Gallardo talk. Thank you all. Said that. How many people are on the AppStar team right now? 6 to one more than the number 6. I'm not gonna grant y'all that clip.
Yeah, 6 or another number.
Or another number.
All right, let me get this screenshot over.
But that's fire. Okay, by the way, anybody in the chat, you guys all know the app that we're making right now. If you have a prompt that I should drop into Claude right now, put it in the chat and we'll do it. But I have faith. I'm just doing functionality right now. Okay, this is great. Now, when any of these new buttons are created, once it's clicked on, basically the vibe of this needs to be closer to when someone in the club is trying to show a DJ their request to a song. So they'll open up the Notes app, they'll type it out, and then they'll put their phone landscape so they see the full text. We already have the type out feature, we already have the text. This button just needs to launch us into like a landscape mode, which is full black screen, and you need to take this text and essentially stretch it to the full length of the screen as long as it's still fully legible. And it should not matter for how long it is. You can use whatever that attribute function is for UI labels for like font width, size. I don't remember what it's called. Do you have anything else to say?
No.
Okay.
I was gonna say, we record, right? I was gonna say we need like a soundboard. So like when you send the prompt, like
There
after you-
should be a
yeah, after you send the prompt.
soundboard. UB Kush says, how do I get on the App Star team?
Good question.
Can be local NYC again. Right now, stuck living with my auntie in Philly. Shout out to Philly. Shoot, I can let you know what stuff that we're trying to cook on and what help we need. But I mean, we honestly, we're very interested in skill sets, obviously. But the fact that you're engaged and your curiosity is like extremely cool. You know, that's like one of the coolest things. Chat, the GOAT, the producer, the real producer just walked into the building, dog. Y'all wanna say, you wanna say what's up to chat?
Come on the chat real quick.
I'll give you a mic.
What's up, chat?
Hey, that's Bane, yo.
How you doing? How you feeling? How's the app looking?
I think the app's coming together.
Sick. You guys working for these guys yet? Are you allowed to talk about any of that?
Oh,
Or are you not allowed to talk about anything?
no, it didn't happen yet.
Nothing's happening and no one's talking about anything.
Yeah, but you are. That's pretty clean. How was it? How was it today?
It was like a
It's just, it's Fanatics Fest. If you want cards, you want anything, go buy some Fanatics, some cards, or whatever you like.
It feels like almost like
You could win $1 million
because like
if you beat Tom Brady in sports. He's the 3-year reigning champion of the Fanatics games, where anybody could win $1 million.
song that you request.
But Tom Brady wins every time. But hi chat, bye chat, I gotta go.
Check yes or no.
oh yeah. So before you even ask, before you even ask, before you even ask.
Pretty much.
Like the whole, getting the signals, like
There's a DJ scene.
We low-key just ended up putting another one of these by there. It's so great, yeah. But we'll learn next time. But we got a lot going well, so thank you guys. Yeah.
On the edge, I was still tipping 4 million volts wide as I pump just to get my results. I'm a pro, better get my results. In the family, we feel chaos.
I also feel like people should be like vibe checking before they even like check the vibe.
Right, before you even are allowed to make a.
Am I vibing or am I just like being an asshole?
Obviously, the last one getting out of the music. What do you do with the idea?
You're playing Cardi right now and then they come up like, can you play Taylor Swift fucking whatever? Or like,
Okay, this is fire, but as you can see, because of the notch on the phone, it seems to be getting cut off. So just give like a little bit of padding for the notch, but keep all the same principles the same. And maybe in the bottom right corner, you can have like a little button for a color picker. Just use like a native color picker. Ideally, you could just drag around and have it change into the other color. And then maybe the button to the left can be another circle button. 2 circle buttons, that's like a fucking H stack. There's a little bit of padding. But when you click that one, it enters in like a strobe mode. That's all for now, thank you.
That's
Okay.
Scooby-Doo part of music.
We can send our prompts to Discord. Yo, okay, send your prompts to Discord. Let me send the Discord link. Okay, guys, I'm gonna take a pee break, but Gallardo will be here and he'll be spinning big time. And I'll show you. It's good, chat.
You know how to treat the brother over there.
Okay. Do we have any prompts in the Discord right now? I'm gonna send an invite link to the Discord if anyone's not in there. Of course, my Discord has to do 16 updates before it opens. Natural. This is the state of software, man. Okay, so pretty much chat, what I'm gonna try to do right now is these buttons on the first screen, I mean, it's just gonna look like a super Apple app, you know, just to start. It's not gonna have any swag yet. It's not gonna be true. Yeah, street, you know, it'll be creative directed. Hey, for the buttons in the list on the first screen, can actually sort of look like this design. And maybe in the portion where you create a new one, you assign an emoji, so it gets the same square vibe, that type of treatment. Yeah, I think that's it. Also, let's use user defaults so we can save some of these. Okay, so which channel in Discord? Good question, damn. Pull up to ideas and feedback. Ideas and feedback, you can drop it in there. Izu says, also, you could probably use Xcode build MCP to build directly from Claude to your phone.
The chat is cracked.
The chat is absolutely
This
cracked.
is why I stopped vibe coding. Too many sweats.
Too many goddamn sweats, bro.
Too many sweats,
No,
bro.
you guys are far.
This is why I stopped vibe coding.
This is from the Claude Code app on web, because I will actually tell all my friends to do that. So there's a Claude Code MCP thing. They'll go directly to your phone. Is that true? Claude, draw an acai character that represents how you feel about this project. Okay, I'm gonna.
We're gonna pick this project up another time. On next stream, the next stream I'm on, we'll finish this.
Okay.
Or actually a different app, actually.
Do you want to see what we have so far?
Yeah, let's see it.
Okay. Okay. Actually, it's going to be literally just, I think, 1 minute.
That's cool.
And we'll run it to my phone to see what we have so far.
Nice. We had the visuals going the whole time.
Damn, that's crazy. This is what Claude thinks. Hold on, where is that? Hold on. This is what Claude thinks about what we're building.
Yeah.
Me, third row from the DJ booth, held high. Phone held high.
Nice.
It's pretty good.
I'm fucking with that. That's nice. It has a soul.
It has a soul. Someone in the chat said current song is gas.
She goes crazy.
Upper 1000 Fort Myers.
So this is like some. I can almost go Jersey with this after this. I could.
It's like a mixture of like Miami bass and like what they call visual. Probably tape called Miami.
Got it. I'll play some shit right now.
We're almost done.
You gotta get out of this quick though, cause it's like a bootlegging track that I got, so it ends abruptly. It's only 2 minutes long, so you gotta get out of this quick. But it slaps though, because you gotta get out of it quick though.
Oh my God, KB just entered the chat, y'all. You wanna say what's up to stream? What's good? Squarespace is here. Oh, what's up with it? What's up? We're live as fuck. We're about to end though. Yo, Khalid Booker. Wow, my co-founder never responds to me like that when I enter the room. It's crazy, man. What happens to the world, dog? You gotta, you'll learn a lot of these people are not, Ash, I did not know you was here. What's good? What's good? Ash, Andy, Chaz, everybody's in here. Okay, should we see if the app works? I'm gonna add a new song. I'm gonna say, what's a good song to add?
Chief Keef Finito.
Chief Keef Finito. Is there a dreads emoji? What's a Chief Keef emoji?
Gun? Whoops. Water gun, yeah.
Alright.
Pew pew. Nice.
Oh wait, damn, I fucked it up with string.
No, it works, chat. Chat, we got an app, chat. Oh, we need to take a picture of that.
That's fire.
When it works.
That's pretty hard.
Chat, we got one.
We got one.
And we gonna be alright if we put Los on every app.
We gonna be alright. Hey. Oh Lord.
Got one, chat.
I broke it a little bit. Chat, we got an
That
app.
takes some iteration, it takes some refinement, but we have an app. We vibe coded it. It works. If you wanted to request a song, you can. Or something.
We got an app.
We got an app. It's gonna be beautiful later, but we have an app. Thanks for having me. That's the stream.
The GOAT.
App Stars. Oh shit.
App Star.
You know, Fever Dream.
Fever Dream. Shout out Fever Dream.
Fever Dream. You know. So we'll catch you guys for the next stream next time.
Peace, y'all.
Peace. Can we just walk off?
Well, Loki, you know what would be cool?
Just walk off.
No, let's walk off, and then let me remove the chat, and then yeah, and then I'm gonna just do handheld camera on Fever Dream, just for a little bit. I'll put these away. So we just have.
We don't need sleep on the weekends. Gotta get geek. We don't up on me 'cause I didn't wanna bar. She a college girl, weekday study for the bar. Say she don't wanna die, but she wanna live large. I'm the nigga that you need to know. Touch base, we can keep it on the needs to know. No sleep, she's seen the glow. First place, I can keep you on your knees and toes. You a star, baby, lead the show. I'm in charge, I ain't even tryna lead you on. You a star, baby, lead the show. I'm in charge, I ain't even tryna lead. I'm just tryna get geek.
The only way to sleep with the fun. It seems they just don't know.
Hey. And we don't need sleep on the weekend. She like, we don't need sleep on the weekend. We don't need sleep on the weekend.
Patrocínio sideral, lá embaixo é a cabana, que saudade do Libral. E olha assim, Dona Maria, olha só. Ensina suas crias que a polícia tá na rua pra matar ou pra prender. Ontem foi o nosso mano, amanhã pode ser você. Que a real da vida é fazer a vida ser melhor pra geral. Hoje eu dançaria a noite toda, embraçando com você no bairro. Esquece isso tudo e vem pro bairro. Gostosa fica na vontade que o moço já falou. Que tá tudo arregado, a minha paz aqui é terrível. Mas pra cama esse safado e vem pro bairro. Geral consciente, nem mulher não põe a mão. Molecada tá ligada, assim é sim, não é não. O tirão avisou, então geral concordou. Bandido do ano passado vai sentar no corpo. E a cabana tem vaga, ou ali nem vende droga, ou ali a bateria droga. No, 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 just like the wind. Just like the wind. No, 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 no. Just like the wind. Just like the wind.
We keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it cost? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dawg. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dawg. Turn her up. 19 streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. Cross them up. Turn your click up, dawg. Turn them up. Turn your bitch up, dawg. Turn her up. 19 streets can't cross it. Cross them up. All these streets need bosses. My dog get low in his pockets, I'm picking them up. We came from the bottom together, my nigga. We get it, we splitting it up. If my bitch tell me baby that pussy, I take her out shopping until I shut up. Standing on business, standing on business, ain't nothing, nobody that shit up. It ain't nothing, that turn the bitch up. It ain't nothing, that turn your click up. Ain't nothing, shit. We turn the jeweler up, just look at the diamonds we bust. Look at the people we touch. Shit, I'm feeling like I'm feeling worse. I'm singing this shit like the toilet, little niggas so nasty, I never been flushed. You want the scoop, she want the tea. I get that steep, we keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it cost? It never been cheap. It never been. Turn your click up, dawg. Turn up, turn your bitch up, dawg. Turn up, all these streets can't cross it. Turn them up, all these streets need bosses. Turn them up, turn your click up, dawg. Turn up, turn your bitch up, dawg. Turn up, all these streets can't cross it. shit.
On that independent shit. And I'm back. I've been waiting. How many ladies in the house? How many ladies in the house? How many ladies in the house? We in the house. On that independent shit. How many ladies in the house? How many ladies in the house? How many ladies in the house? You know what? And I'm back. 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 And I'm back.